and fun. Monday starts with work to do, fresh new plans for me and you. Tuesday brings a happy smile, learning, playing all the while. Wednesday is the halfway day, half the week has gone away. Thursday blooms with flowers bright, dreams and hopes all shining light. Friday comes with cheer and play, weekend's just a step away. Saturday is rainbow time, family moments just so fine. 7 days we've learned today, clap your hands and shout hooray.